So this is the multiplexer and demultiplexer kit. In the below there is input section. In the input section we have such on off facilities. These switches are all independent switches, and now you have to connect the selected switches. Now this is the case for 0 0, and if I change the circuit of D0, for D0 the output is on, for D0 off the output is off. In this state, if I change D1, if I change D2, if I change D3, no change is observed. So if I keep it on, these two are synchronized, these two are selected, and the other switches, that is D1, D2, D3, they are in don't care condition. Now similarly, if I keep them 0 1, that is S1 is 0, S1 means this one is 0 and S0 is 1. So in that case D1 has to be selected. This one is D1. D1 are selected. And even if I keep D0, D3 on, D2 on, D0 on, nothing happens. Only in case of D1 it is changing. Whatever be the status of other, there is no change. Similarly for D2, that is now S1 is 1, S0 that is 0. So for this case D2 has to be selected. So this one D2 goes here, D2. So the change in D2, if I keep D2 on and off, the LEDs are glowing. Now you will notice if there is a loose connection, then the circuit changes and the light keeps on glowing. So you have to be careful about the loose connections. And similarly, in case of D3, that is S0 and S1 1, the D3 that will be changed, that is this black wire. So these two are connected. Now all other switches, if I change them, there is no change. So that is our don't care condition.